will start new chapter 13, voice. So I request you all, please open your grammar textbook, page number 10. I request you all, please pay attention and study this proper. Now see on page number 104, you will have here first some sentences that I will read for you and I will explain. Look at following sentences. Rao called Sachi on the phone. Sachi was called by Rao on the phone. So in the first sentence, Rao is the subject and the door of the action, while Sachi is receiving the action, means called. Therefore, it is said to be in the active voice. In the second sentence, Rao is the door of the action, but is in the object's place, and Sachi is receiver of the action, but it is in the subject of the verb. So this sentence is said to be in a passive voice. We also say that the verb called is in active form and was called is in passive form. So here we have further examples. The winners of the marathon will be given medals by the principal. The principal will give medals to the winners of the marathon. Tennis is taught here. They teach tennis here. So I hope you have understood properly. The more preferred one, we are having here 3 points with examples. First, we use the active voice more often than the passive as the meaning is clear and direct. Here we have example. The children are playing tennis, that is preferred. Tennis is being played by the children, that is in the passive voice. The passive voice is used in official instructions and when action is not known or not important. Here we have examples. Smoking is prohibited. We can say like this, we and you are not known and not important in this sentence. We prohibit you from smoking. The passive voice is also used when the receiver of the action is more important than the door. For an example, the Prime Minister was received by the local authorities. Here, the Prime Minister is more important than the people who received him, right? The annual function is postponed. Here, the action of postponement is more important than the door of the action. Now, we are having here active and passive forms of the verb. The verb in the passive voice is always in the past participle form and it follows the verb be. So here we have simple present tense. What will be in simple present tense? So we are having the formula of simple present tense in active and passive voice. The verb is in the form of am, is or are plus past participle. So in active voice, this way we can write I love my parents, and the same sentence we will change into passive voice. It will turn like this, my parents are loved by me. So by we are adding in the passive voice. Next you see on page number 105, simple past tense. The verb is in the form of was or were plus past participle. We are having here past participle form of the verb, right? In the active voice, I helped Adil to board the train. In the passive voice, the sentence will be like this, Adil was helped by me to board the train. Here we have note, active and passive voice, the personal pronoun are changed as follow. When we are using personal pronoun in a sentences in active and passive, so suppose we are using in active voice, when it will change into passive voice, which we have to write. So in active voice, I will change in passive me, he will change into him, she will change into her, we will change into us, and they will change into them. Now we will see present continuous tense. The verb is in the form of am or is or are plus being, B-E-I-N-G, being plus past participle. So in the present continuous tense, we have to add in a sentence being before past participle. So here we have example, active. The principal is giving sweets to the children. When it will change into passive voice, the children are being given sweets by the principal. So I hope you have understood. Now we will see in the past continuous tense. The verb is in the form of was or were plus being plus past participle. Here in continuous tense, in present continuous or past continuous, we have to add being in a passive voice. So here we have active voice sentence. Mother was giving us new clothes. The same sentence will change into passive this way. We were being given new clothes by mother. Now present perfect tense. The verb is in the form of has or have. When it will perfect tense, we are using has or have instead of am, is, are. So here verb, then has or have plus been. You have to keep in mind in continuous tense we have add being. Now here in perfect we have to use been, B-E-E-N, plus past participle. I will read examples for you. Active voice sentence, the guard has shut the gates. The same sentence will change into passive this way. The gates have been shut by the guard. Now we will see past perfect tense. The verb is in the form of had plus been plus past participle. Active sentence, Mohan had told me about the match on Sunday. It will change into passive this way. I had been told by Mohan about the match on Sunday. Now please turn the page. Now we will see in the future reference. The verb is in the form of can, could, may, might or will plus be plus past participle or am, is, are plus going to plus be plus past participle. So you have to keep in mind this formula. I will read sentences for you. Active voice sentence. Someone will help you to reach the station. It will change into passive. You will be helped to reach the station. Next sentence. The teacher is going to check the answers. Passive sentence. The answers are going to be checked by the teacher. So I hope you have understood. Now we will discuss interrogative sentence. We make the same changes to the verb forms in questions. Here we have examples. I will read for you so you can understand properly. Active sentence. Did Krishna tell you about the timetable? Passive sentence. Were you told by Krishna about the timetable? It is interrogative sentence, so it will end with question mark. That you have to keep in mind. Next sentence. Am I interrupting your conversation? Passive sentence. Is your conversation being interrupted by me? Active sentence. What time is the guard going to ring the bell? Passive sentence. What time is the bell going to be rung by the guard? Now children, here in your textbook on page number 106, table is given. So I request you all, this table you have to study properly. It is very important for you. So here simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, simple past, past continuous, past perfect, simple future with all tenses which changes are there in the active and passive voice that is given. So please study it properly. Now we will discuss exercise. See on page number 107, I will read exercises for you. Change these sentences from active to passive voice. Use the words given in the brackets. Number 1. Sam drives this car. Answer. This car is driven by Sam. 2. The president inaugurated the new building. Answer. The new building was inaugurated by the president. 3. All the teachers praised Avni. Answer. Avni was praised by all the teachers. 4. Rishi met her in the park. Answer. She was met in the park by Rishi. 5. I ate all the mangoes kept in the fridge. Answer. All the mangoes in the fridge were eaten by me. 6. A man is driving the car. Answer. The car is being driven by a man. 7. The children were doing the assignments. Answer. The assignments were being done by the children. 8. I have completed my homework. Answer. My homework has been completed. 9. Parth has distributed all the sweets. Answer. All the sweets have been distributed by Parth. 10. Manik will take the fruit to school. Answer. The fruit will be taken to school by Manik. 11. Rohan can plant the seeds. Answer. The seeds can be planted by Rohan. 12. Where does Peter keep the bicycle? Answer. Where is the bicycle kept by Peter? Exercise B. Rewrite these sentences in the active voice. Now, here we have some sentences we have to write into active voice. Number 1. Can we be informed by the authorities? Answer. Can the authorities inform us? 2. The school is opened at 9 a.m. Answer. The school opens at 9 a.m. 3. The annual function was attended by many guests. Answer. Many guests attended the annual function. 4. The invitations are being written by the English department. Answer. The English department is writing the invitations. 5. A lot of charts were being made by the children. Answer. The children were making a lot of charts. The whole corridor has been decorated with flowers by the teachers. Answer. The teachers have decorated the whole corridor with flowers. 7. The band had been organized by the music teacher. Answer. The music teacher had organized the band. 8. The lamp will be lighted by the chief guest. The chief guest will light the lamp. 9. The names may be announced by the captain. The captain may announce the names. 10. Where is the food being served by the waiters? Where are the waiters serving the food? 11. When are the lights being switched off by you? When are you switching off the lights? 12. The lawn is watered by the gardener every day. The gardener waters the lawn every day. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter. Write all exercises in your textbook and learn well. We have 2 exercises. You have to write only in the textbook and learn it well. Thank you.